Potholes are a massive problem in India, with over 4,000 lives being lost every year due to pothole related accidents. Reimagining road maintenance is the critical need of the hour. I'm Akshay Uppal, and we at Pothole Brigade are offering a pothole filling and a road maintenance franchise to municipal corporations in exchange for 40 lakh rupees for the machine and the training of their staff for execution of these patchwork. The execution using our technology and machines results in very long lasting and durable patches so that no reworking is ever required. We've looked at various different markets like public works departments, private townships, airports, industrial parks, and municipal corporations, and eventually honed in on municipal corporations as our beachhead market. That's because there is over 1,500 of these corporations present across India, and the way their budgets are structured, it's very easy for them to adopt a new technology at our price point. So our plan is to first target North India, which is our home base, and then subsequently capture more territory. After having targeted at least 30 or 40 municipal corporations, then we plan to expand to other departments like private townships, industrial parks, airports, etc. So our CVP is that we're able to offer economical and faster road maintenance. We're sustainable as we're cutting down on the GHG emissions. And most importantly, we're able to work 24/7, 365 days a year. We're all weather, which no other technology is able to offer. So because we're able to work in the winters and monsoons, we're able to nip the problem in the bud right when a pothole develops. And by offering preventive maintenance, you really cut down on the regular renewal costs. And you're actually saving around 84% of the materials and costs for renewals. So our product is pressurized injection road repairs, which is using our machines. It's a very simple process, 4 stages. You clean it with high compressed air and blow away all the dust and debris. Then the same hose pipe from the machine is used to spray a glue or tack coat, which fixes the patch material to the existing surface. Then bitumen emulsion along with aggregate, stone aggregate is mixed, and that acts as the patch, the material that actually fills the pothole. And eventually a liquid sealing coat is sprayed over it to prevent any future ingress of water so that the pothole never reappears in the same spot. How we also identified municipal corporations as a beachhead market is we interviewed a lot of engineers and stakeholders in corporations, and we found that they are actually accepting of paying a higher upfront cost as long as it results in an overall saving, and which in our case is an 80-85% savings in their maintenance budgets. Also, their biggest pain point was not being able to fix potholes in monsoon and winters. That's when the maximum number of potholes develop, and a lot of citizen complaints happen at that time because there's no action that can be taken at that time. So we're able to solve that problem for them. And another thing that we're doing is we're working with artificial intelligence and computer vision for measuring the area of potholes that we've repaired, and that's something they wanted to introduce to increase the transparency in the current system. So our financials look good. We're only planning to target a 2% market share initially of the 1,500 corporations, and if we do that, we're still very profitable, as we can make around 2.7 crore profit in our first year just by targeting a very small market share. So our technology is making a huge climate impact as well. What we're doing is eliminating the heating process from road maintenance, and in doing so, in using a cold mix process, we're removing 80% of the GHG emissions directly, and indirectly by delaying the renewal process, we're also saving on 90% of the bitumen and aggregate savings every year by offering preventive maintenance instead of reactive maintenance. Our team is me, I'm the founder, and my wife is a co-founder. We both had extensive experience in civil engineering, and we're lucky to have our fathers as our mentors who are veterans in civil engineering and infrastructure. We are trying to reimagine road maintenance and work towards our goal of a pothole-free world.